So in this video we're talking about steering. I'm going to show you how the DVSA wants you to be doing push-pull steering. So you can see my hands are nice and relaxed on the wheel. The left hand turn is, my left hand comes to 12 o'clock. Pull around my left and push with my right. Just feed it back a little bit. Straighten it up. Another left hand turn here, so again left hand comes to the top, I'm going to pull around, and I've actually done maybe half my steering before we even got to the junction really. Left hand back to the top again, that's a little bit of a pull, not much else there for this right turn then. Right hand comes to the top, pull and a push, that's going to do me just fine around there. Feed the wheel back. Another right turn here, so right hand comes to 12 o'clock on the clock face. I'm going to pull, left hand's drop down for a push. That's going to get me around just fine. So it's virtually one rotation of the wheel is all it takes really, so I can get through this road. A couple more. So right turn, enemy junction. Right hand comes to the top, right hand's going to pull right to the bottom, the left hand there's going to push up from the top. I was going to hold that. That's one rotation, that's done. Feed it back. Again, right hand turn, so the right hand's comes to the top of the wheel. And that's just going to take one pull up. Just half a turn there to get around that corner. So another one, so we'll do a left hand turn here. Helped by the truck, so the left hand's coming to the top of the wheel, it's going to pull around, it's not going to be enough, the right hand's got to push up a little bit, that's got me around. So it's very much taking your time, thinking about catching the road. So again, right hand comes to 12 o'clock, it's going to pull around, left hand's going to push a tiny bit, that's enough around, just feed it back to correct. The left hand turn, so the left hand comes to the top of the wheel. I've done most of the steering, I'm at the junction now. What I'm going to do now is just put one more pull my left. That's going to be plenty to get around, pull back my right to straighten. Do a couple more for you. So left turn at the bottom here, so again left hand's coming to the top ready. Right hand coming dropping down, so I think I need both here. It's quite a tight turn. Left hand at the top. Just going to pull around and do a push from my right, and then pull and a push, and we're back on track. Next one's going to be a left hand turn. Left hand comes to 12 o'clock, right hand's getting ready to drop down, left hand's going to pull, right hand's going to push a little bit, and sometimes you need a full push and a pull, sometimes do a little bit of both, bit of a shuffle. Going to a couple of tighter ones now, so I'll show you. Next one's going to be a right hand turn. So again, right hand's coming to the top, left hand's ready to drop down, so a pull and a push, it's a real tight one. There we go. And then just general driving, I'm pulling, and my right hand's ready for me to push, but just a pull from the right hand there is fine. Again, left hand bend coming up, but it's just going to need a little bit of a pull up, and that's it. Right hand, it's not going to need any pushing. Again, imagine for a tight turn here. I'm going to go pull, push, and a pull. So 3 moves is full lock on this car, and that's going to get me around here just nicely. Parking sensor a little bit closer, and again we'll do a full lock. So pull, push, pull. There we go. So hopefully that one was useful, and I might do another one of those at some point, so look out for that.